Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to use the circle tool along with the push-pull tool to make the top part of my Lego block here, the little snap together pieces that go in the top. So coming in here, we're going circles first, so rectangle tool turns into the circle tool. We want to find the center points here. I like to have the intersection and then slide down the axis. Either way, it puts the endpoints kind of in the right spot if you ever use the outside of your radiuses. This is going to end up being a 2.5 millimeter radius, and we're going to do this 8 times. So find the 8 spots you're doing it. 2.5, enter. And there's a few ways we can do this. I'm just doing it kind of the elementary way. Always making sure I'm going down the line. That puts the endpoints of my circles. You wouldn't think about circles having endpoints, but they do, in the right spots if we ever need to use them to connect the things or whatever it may be. 2.5 millimeters. I got a few more to make. Two left. And the last one. I think it said 2.5 there. Yep. So now the next thing I'm going to do after I have all these at 2.5 is I'm going to come into my push-pull tool and I'm going to push-pull these up 2 millimeters. So I'm going to use the push-pull tool, select that inner surface, slide up. You notice what happened right there. I caught that. I'm going to edit undo by doing a Control Z. You can also go back up here and do an undo. Click and move up, and then type in 2. Now I'm going to do that to my 8 pieces also. I probably could also shift select all of them and do it all at one time too. Remember, the push-pull tool works by difference, so if you ever make a mistake, edit undo, and if you don't edit undo, if you know what happened, you can always use the difference to find out, or to move it to the right plane or to the right spot, or move that plane to the right spot. Now there we go. If we don't want to see our guidelines, we can turn our guides off by just coming in here and going guides. Remember when you do this though, so you don't know why your guide or your tape measure tool doesn't work. Coming in here, now we have our 3D block, or our Lego block made. If we turn our X-ray on, we should also still be able to see our name. Alright, that's going to end up being our screenshot here for the end of this video. So going here, I'm going to go to the top view, and this is what I want to see. Thanks for watching the video. This is the screenshot for the day, and now we're going to the bottom. Have a good day. Hope this video helps. Save your block before you go.